Hey there everyone, this is Green Spud Trades here. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. I've had a lot of personal things going on, but I thought I'd just take a look at my stocks again today and just look at a few charts just out of curiosity because there's a lot going on in the market lately and a lot going on with the inflation that's going on generally. And in particular, I wanted to look at the gold chart and see what that's doing. With the market coming down, I was wondering if gold would look bullish or actually be getting pulled down with the rest of the market in this type of environment. Because as the stock market goes down, asset managers they tend to try to liquidate positions, and sometimes they have to liquidate even good stuff to cover things that they were leveraged up on and cover margin. So I decided to look at the gold chart, and I kind of like the way it looks here. This is a really interesting pattern. In fact, you could probably call this a cup and handle because you have the rise up here, and then it makes the cup part, and that's a very strong bullish pattern. As you can see here, we also have this little trend line that well, I guess I could probably redraw this here. I had this little trend line here that I was watching, and it looked like it peaked above it and then came down. Look, it's kind of going through it again, but it's kind of a nice run through of that consolidation here. What's interesting about the gold is you have this cup and handle like pattern where it's spent a lot of time consolidating up here, but look at that. You have a lot of higher lows. You have a low here, and then here it bases a little bit higher, bases a little bit higher, and then right here it looks like it's kind of on the edge of a breakout, and then you also got an increase in volume here. So I think that's a very bullish sign for GLD right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. One of the ways that you could trade that is through the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is it's supposed to correlate to the price of Bitcoin, and as you can see here, we have a big run up from going into the pandemic, and then there was a crypto crash, and then another crash. But what I find really interesting here is, let's take another drawing. It's got this point here, this level of interest. I'll make this one a purple one. It's got a level of interest here where, before this was the resistance point for going up. In fact, you had a little flag over there. And then here it's come down and settled, and this is the base. And then we had it make a run up here to the highs again. This is another level of interest. It'll be really bullish if it consolidates and then breaks up through here again. But here you're at the bottom of the channel. So this is a kind of a low risk area to start building a position in Bitcoin if you're interested in it. So I actually think that, I feel good about the long-term prospects of crypto. I know I'm really late to the game here, but it's, you could probably view it as an asset class now, and there's a good chance that people will be running to this in the next several years as a safe haven from inflation. I don't know. I think this is an interesting idea for a trade right here. The thing to watch out for, though, is that if it gets really weak, it could easily fall below the support level. So you just have to keep an eye on it. It's low risk, but it's also risky at the same time. Anyway, that's just some thoughts on the market and kind of what I've been looking at, and I hope you have a great day.